bake, and I'll just show you what we got here, what we need to make chicken pasta bake. So we got chicken there, that is chicken breast, diced chicken breast. We got mixed white and red onions. We have garlic, ground garlic. We got mature cheddar cheese. So that's a mature cheddar cheese there. Then we have the creamy tomato pasta bake. I got 2 tins of that. I have oil there. Then I got chicken cubes in there, which I've just squashed into a bit of granules. We got mild chili, and then we have paprika there. Then the main ingredient is the pasta. So I've just boiled my pasta with salt until it was just slightly tender, and then I've drained it. So I'm gonna start now. I will turn my hob on. There we are. And I'm just going to wait for my pan to heat a little. On this meal, I do not start with onions. I like to cook my chicken a little bit just before I put my onions in, and I will show you how I do that. So just waiting for that to heat up. So our pan is hot now. I'm just going to put some oil and just give our oil just a minute to heat up. And then our chicken will be going in next. So that should be hot now, and I'll just put our chicken in, which we need to just brown. I'm just gonna leave my chicken to brown, then I'll turn it over and I'll show you what we are going to do next. So guys, our chicken now is starting to brown, like you can see, slowly. I don't want to leave it to dry too much, so I'm going to brown it as well as I cook my onions. So my onions will go in now. You don't have to mix red or white onions, just use any onions you have available. And we'll just cook these onions and brown the chicken at the same time. And then when our onions are cooked, I'm also going to add some salt. I did add some salt while I was browning the chicken, so I'm just gonna make sure we have enough salt there. And we're just going to brown that together. So we're just gonna give that a few minutes to cook the onions and brown the chicken, and then I'll show you what goes in next. What goes in next will be garlic, but then we are not going to put garlic just yet because garlic cooks really quick and I don't want it to burn. So I'll leave the onions to cook, then I'll be adding the garlic. So guys, our chicken is cooked actually. Our onions are coming nicely, as you can see. You could just eat that like that, to be honest. So I'm just going to add our garlic. And the garlic takes very short time to cook. So that's our garlic in there. And we're just gonna make sure we cook our garlic. Look at that. So I'm just gonna keep on stirring until our garlic is cooked. And then while I cook our garlic, I am also going to add the rest of the spices in. So paprika to go in, and then mild chili, and I'll add the chicken cubes in. And that can just cook together with the garlic. Be aware that garlic cooks really quick and starts to stick. So I'm just going to lower the heat to make sure the garlic doesn't stick. Look at that. That looks so yummy. You could just eat that with nothing else. So we're gonna now add our pasta in there. It's cooked. We said we boiled our pasta. It's stuck in there. There we are. It's just taken the shape of the strainer, but that's okay. So our pasta is ready because it was boiled earlier on. As you can see, it's not like stuck together. It's just because it was drained in that strainer and just took the shape of that strainer. And then I'm just going to put the sauces, and this is the creamy pasta bake sauce. And I'll just add that in. Very nice and creamy. Because I don't want my pasta too dry, I will add the other tin in. So you can see that's not enough. So the pasta sauce you put according to the amount of food you are cooking, and I will add another sauce. That's it. Look at that. If you want your pasta still with more sauce, what you could do is use more than 2 tins of the pasta sauce, or depending on the size of tin of pasta sauce you're using. And I'm just going to simmer that. I'm just going to simmer that and cover it for about 5 minutes. And then after about 5 minutes, I'll show you the next step. So stick with me. And that's what it looks like now, and I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes. So guys, that is our pasta now. It's been simmered for around 5 minutes, just so that the sauce and everything can blend together. I'm going now to turn off my hob. My oven has been heated to 200 degrees, and the pasta is going to be completed in the oven. So I'm going to transfer this now from the pan to this dish here, just like so. Then I will just spread that like that. I've made sure the salt is enough, so just before you transfer your pasta to the oven, just make sure you got the flavors you need in there. Then cheese. So we're gonna sprinkle our cheese. If you don't like too much cheese, just go light with it. So this is our mature cheddar cheese. Well, I love cheese myself. It's like a treat for me, so I'll just make sure I put enough there. And I think I'm gonna need just a little bit more from the pack. Cover those gaps. Should do when it melts, it should just spread to the areas where there's no cheese. I don't want to put too much. So that is what our tray is looking like now, and I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 20 minutes just to melt the cheese and also brown and crispy that cheese, and you will see what it looks like when it comes out in 20 minutes. Oh, but this is the time. Our pasta is ready. It's come out of the oven now after 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like, golden brown. As you can see, it's still very hot. So when you go to serve it, you just need to go in nicely and just cut really nice to leave the cheese on the top, just so that you don't mess with the cheese. Just like so. Ooh. It needs to be left to cool down a bit. And that is your pasta, and you just want the cheese to be on top like that. And it's cooked, but it's really hot. But I know it's gonna be tasty. And that's what our pasta looks like. Just gonna add just a little bit more. So that, because it's really hot. And there you are. If you want to add salad or anything else, you can add, but that is what it's looking like. And it's yummy. Looks so yummy. The flavors are all in there. Looks really delicious. So all I can say, this is a very quick meal. If you want to go and try this, go try it. Follow the steps I've shown you. You can add other spices what you like for your own preference. You don't have to add chili, but I've only put mild chili, so it's not too hot chili. But just go and try it and see how you do with it. And that's a quick fix meal again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give us thumbs up if you like it, and also hit on the notification bell so you will know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.